Following presentation is a quick training video for DSEs who would like to learn how to use BlueBeam to review and dispose of comments that the tollway has provided within the paperless DMR process. First, you need to make sure you have your settings set up correctly. Please watch the Getting Started with BlueBeam training video. This will teach you how to properly install the BlueBeam profiles and tool chests that you will need. As you can see, this information is provided under Project 16 on eBuilder. The profile and tool chests you will need are under CAD, and the training videos are under videos. Once you have the proper settings within BlueBeam, you need to go to the DMR process in which you intend to dispose of comments. Click on the DMR process and go to the Comments tab. Within this tab, you will see the language that the GEC has provided regarding the BlueBeam session, the session number, and the review timeline. Highlight the session number, copy it, and open BlueBeam. Once you've opened BlueBeam, click the Join button on the right and paste the session number. Click OK. This will bring you to the session that the tollway has used to review your plan set submittal. On the right, you will see all of the attendees, the documents that were reviewed, and a whole history of the review. As you can see, this has been a review by the tollway and it's been disposed of by the DSE. The final product will look like this, where all the comments are below and the status and the disposition as well. When you are done within the session, please click the Leave button and this will take you out of the session. If you need to get back into a session, you can do it in a couple ways. The first being clicking the Join button and doing it as shown before by pasting the session number and joining the session. You also have sessions that you've created on the right and sessions you've recently attended on the right. You can join these sessions by simply clicking on it and it will bring you to the session. Next, I'm going to show you how to properly view and dispose of comments that were provided using BlueBeam. As you can see, I'm within a session and I have my plan view above and my markups below. To dispose of a comment, you need to either highlight the comment above or click on the comment below. First, you're going to have to set the status of the comment. Highlight the comment that you intend to set the status. You can either right-click on it and set status, or you can click the stoplight button and change the status as well. You will have 5 options that most DSEs are likely familiar with. These options include agree fully and will comply, agree partially with exceptions noted, disagree fully with reasons noted, comment superseded by a design development, and question only with the answer provided. For this exercise, I will click the agree fully comply for this comment, and this is all that will be needed to dispose of this comment. For any of the other options, say disagree fully, agree partially with exceptions, you will set that and you will have to reply with a description why you're disagreeing or other reasons noted. To do this, you will either have to right-click and click reply, or again, you can click the reply button here. This is where you go to provide the description of why you partially agree, you disagree, the design change, or you answer the question. For example, there was a design change and a barrier is no longer needed. Your description is placed below the comment, and this is recorded as the disposition along with the status. Once you have properly disposed of all the comments by providing a status and a reply as needed, you are then able to finish the session. To do this, simply click Leave. The intent is to have the DSE fully dispose of the comments using the markups box below by setting the status and replying as necessary as previously discussed. If for some reason you need to highlight a special location within the plans, you will need to use the DSE tools. These tools can be found to the left under the Tool Chest tab. If they're not already showing, please click on the Manage Toolsets button. Scroll down and highlight the DSE tools. If this does not show up under your Manage Toolsets, you will need to follow the training of Getting Started with BlueBeam in order to install this tool chest. Once you've highlighted the DSE tools, it will now show up on the left. There are 3 tools that you can use to highlight an area on the plan set. The first is a cloud with a leader and a text box. For you to highlight the area and include a response. The second is simply a leader and a text box. And the third is only the text box. Again, the whole intent is to have the DSE fully dispose of the comments using the tools below and not have to highlight in the plans. Using these tools are for a rare exception that you need to highlight a special location within the set. A couple other items that are important to know just to navigate the files themselves are your pages below. As you can see, just you're changing your pages, your panning button, select your magnification, your full zoom. If you're at full zoom, you can scroll in and out if you have a mouse that scrolls. And another nice thing, it's very beneficial to see multiple pages at once, especially if you have multiple monitors. The buttons here on the left are ways to split the screen view, so I can see multiple pages at once. If you have another monitor, you can grab this and drag it to your other monitor so you have 2 full pages. If you want to do it this way, you can split horizontal and drop one to the bottom. This is very beneficial. I mean, if you've got large monitors, you can see 4, 6 pages at once if you've got multiple monitors. And one other item to note, when you've got multiple pages like this open, there's a button down to the right that's the sync button. If sync is turned on, every time you change a page, it changes them all at once. If it is not turned on, whatever box you have live at the moment, that's the page that will change, or that's the page that zooms in and out.